Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text box automatically expand in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make a text box automatically expand. Firstly, I go to blank page, then go to the tools section, select the frame text tool and draw a frame text tool or the text box. You can write anything to this text box. Now I write some text or paste, then select the move tool. Now we want to make this text box automatically expand. Go to the window menu and enable the transform option. We can see that already enable this. Then we go to the transform menu and select the wide option. Now I write the wide 80, then press enter. Then select the height. Now I write height 100, then press enter. Now we can see the text box, it automatically expand. You can expand it manually. Select this option and manually expand it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.